is Daisy, and this is my little Minnie's house with one character in it.
Who's in it?
Minnie. Right. Angelina Balerina.
Angelina Balerina.
And you can also open the doors. Yes. And you can open the doors.
What are you showing us?
These doors can switch around when you want to see.
Alright, they're the doors, are they?
And this one is the door from the kitchen. And this is the little top where you have your food. And you can take it out.
Yeah.
And then you can climb up here. And then you can see the whole world.
Oh, she can look out. Where's she looking out?
She's looking out and see stars.
She's looking outside, is she?
Yeah, see flowers.
Oh, that's nice. What's her house called then?
The mini little house.
Oh.
Angelina little Binny house.
What else can you do with Angelina then?
Well, you can drums and
She dances, does she? Do a dance on there quickly. There. Oh, she's very good, isn't she? Right. We're going to say bye-bye to everybody? Oh, I think she ruined it. Didn't you? All that noise in the background. Oh, bye.